Does hail often occur in your city? Are you worried that hail will leave dents on your truck bed cover? Try the latest product from MostPlus and replace your old aluminum cover. These new hard tonneau cover panels are made of FRP PP honeycomb material. After passing our hammer test, you won't have to worry about dents from hail. It's more durable than aluminum and designed with a matte black appearance to match your creative vision. To install it, start by opening the package and removing the seal strip. Stick it on the front bed, trimming any excess, but leave the seal strip slightly longer than the front bed on both sides. Next, place the tonneau cover on the front of the truck bed and adjust its position to center it. Ensure there is no gap between the seal strip and the corner of the tonneau cover. Before fixing the bed cover, assemble the clamp by inserting the knob and aluminum buckle through the T-bolt to create a hook. Spin and tighten the clamp securely onto the truck bed rail. For the second panel, assemble the handle by inserting the pins and handles through the T-bolt to create a clamp handle. Unfold the second panel, spin the clamp handle up, and push it down to lock the lip tightly onto the truck bed rail. Repeat this process for the last panel, ensuring all parts are tightly secured. Finally, close the tailgate and check that the cover fits the truck bed closely. Our FRP bed cover provides 2 more handles than ordinary aluminum covers. The waterproof strip features a double-layer design and uses a material with a memory function, allowing the bed cover to fit more closely to both sides of the lathe. It better withstands rain, snow, and even hail, preventing water from penetrating the interior of the truck bed. Using the cover is easy. Open the tailgate, unlock the handles on both sides, fold the cover, and secure it with the bag buckle. Let our cover be your trusted travel partner as you explore and enjoy your trips. That's all there is to it. Get ready for your adventure with your new gear.